Pico Magic Art. Magic hat. Let's see what we are drawing today. Wow! It's a house. Let's start the outline with a black color. Let's draw the door. Now we are drawing the window. Let's draw a cute little sun. Beautiful house. Kids, we have completed our first step.
Yes!
Coloring time. Starting with a bright red color. This red color looks beautiful.
Awesome!
Using a blue color for this part. Kids, did you like it? Yellow color for the wall. Kids, did you like this yellow color?
Yes! Wow! Wow!
And now, brown color for the door. Gray color for door's handle. We are using sky blue color for the window. Bright orange color for the sun. Wow, kids! Our house drawing looks amazing. Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time.